Build. They built a sandcastle on the beach. He built a shelf for his books. Play. They play soccer every Saturday. She played the piano at the concert. Sing. Sings in the choir at church. He sang a lullaby to his baby sister. Jump. The athlete jumped over the hurdle effortlessly. The kangaroo jumped high to reach the leaves. Eat. I eat sushi for dinner sometimes. The dog eats his food quickly. Climb. They climb to the top of the mountain. The cat climbed up the tree to chase a bird. Swim. They swim in the lake every summer. The dolphins swam gracefully in the ocean. Write. She writes poetry in her free time. He wrote a heartfelt letter to his friend. Read. She reads novels in her spare time. He read the newspaper every morning. Paint. The artist painted a beautiful landscape. They painted their house last summer. Speak. He speaks fluent Spanish. She spoke passionately about her beliefs. Dance. They danced all night at the party. The ballerina danced gracefully on stage. Run. He runs every morning to stay fit. The children ran to catch the bus. Sleep. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. The baby slept peacefully in her crib.